Hello, here is Randall York. I've received a reused parcel today, and inside is an Arnold N-Scale 2467 Crocodile, also known as CE68 from the Swiss National Railways. This locomotive seems to be in perfect order. Everything is still present, no handbars are broken off, and the motor is just working fine. So I just put it on a track and let's see whether it works. It seems to be moving in both directions, which is just always a pleasure to see. This locomotive has 12 driving wheels. It was purposely built to cross the Alps, so the famous and at the time longest railway tunnel, which is the Gotthard Tunnel. And evidently it was electric because Switzerland lacked coals and therefore was the first country who actually electrified its entire railway system. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short video and thanks for watching.